Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got a short video for you. So all we're doing today is just replacing the speakers on the 2020 Honda Accord. It should be very simple, so I'm gonna walk you guys through it, how to do it, so it should be easy. Anyway guys, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, boop, 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 boop. Hit the subscribe button down below. You're already watching the channel, one click, it's so easy. Anyway, like and subscribe, tell me what you think. So let's go, let's CarStomIt. First thing you gotta do, you gotta pop this panel. You can use a trim removal tool or a screwdriver to pop it open. There are two plugs that need to be disconnected, the one for the window and the one for the mirrors, so unplug both of them. Then use your hand or trim removal tool to pop the door panel open. Just shimmy it a little bit and then it will come out. Then unplug the trunk release. Let's take the front speaker out, guys. There's one screw holding it. Let's unscrew it. Then just try to move the speaker left, right, up, down, and then you'll be able to remove it and slide it up. There's two hooks holding it. Then unplug the speaker and she's out. So take the bracket out now. Now put a thin foam on the front first. Perfect, perfect. This is perfect. Oh, good job. We're gonna put some of this in this line here. It doesn't have to be perfect. I don't have anything wider than this. Now let's put a little bit of foam tape in the front and the rear of the new bracket so we can make sure everything is completely sealed. Here you go guys, just put some foam tape in the front, some in the back, just to make sure that it's rattle free. So all we have to do now is just put the put this into the door. So let's go. Put the screw on there. Perfect, perfect. Here it is guys. So now what we have to do, we're gonna try to get the speaker installed, but we have to also install the tweeter. Then we need to install the crossover, and then we'll get the cable runs as well. So this is what I did guys. I zip tied this with the original wire here, one on the top, so that way this won't move, and I still have room to put the door panel, and I still have room to put the master switch. Then I still also have room for my cables. So this is what we're gonna do. I think it looks better, so that way I don't have to drill anywhere in here. I think this looks so much better guys. Let's keep going and I'll show you what we're doing more. Good on that. We don't need to go back in here. Let's pop this guy in there. Sorry guys, I didn't talk about this. Sorry, I lost the box. So these there you go, the Infiniti Reference 6530 CX. Okay, I don't have the box, I threw the box out, but these are really good speakers and they sound really good. They have really great bass. This is what they look like. So there you go, we are installing under the Accord. Let's put it on. Okay guys, so the speaker is installed. We installed the bracket. Here's the speaker, and this is what we did with the crossover box. So we flipped it upside down. We zip tied it using the existing hole with 2 zip tie, one here, one there. And then now we have to work on the tweeter real quick. But before we do anything, we're gonna check this guy out and see how it sounds. Okay, let's go. All right guys, you see how it sounds. It sounds really good, guys. So now we just gotta put this little guy somewhere in here, so let's figure that out. Guys, we're trying to take the tweeter out for the cord. This is a clip right here. I'm sorry. So this guy and this guy. So there we go. This is it. So this guy right here is a clip, and this guy right here is a clip. So you just pushed it out. I was looking at the wrong thing. There we go. It's coming out. There we go. See, guys? So this clip, that clip, and then here's the tweeter. Okay guys, I forgot to show you. The tweeter come with this bracket here. So I just pop this extra thing off and then put the tweeter inside it. So now the tweeter is gonna go look like this. There you go. It fits in pretty well. And I put a little extra foam to protect it right there. See? And I think that I can get 2 screws on here to hold it. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right guys, here's the tweeter in there, and if you could see, I put 2 screws to hold it. There's like a little clip over here, so I'm good with that. So here it is. Tweeter is ready, guys. Let's put it on. So we're not gonna use this cable anymore. We're just gonna leave it here for now. I'm gonna zip tie it in a little bit. The cable we made for the tweeter, we can just route it up here. And then we'll zip tie everything up as well. Then connect it. Okay, all right, now we can literally pop the tweeter back in place. There you go. So now we're gonna zip tie the cable for the tweeter right up here. All right guys, boom, done. This guy's ready to go. We already started taking the door panel off on the other one. It's literally the same thing. You pop the switch off. There's a screw right here, right there. Take it out, and then you pop the door panel off. So let's go to the other side. I'll show you guys. We already took out the speaker, guys, so all we have to do is put a little bit of foam tape on the new bracket, the front and the back. Yeah, put that in there. I'm gonna After you slide the bracket into the 2 holes in the bottom, and then you clip it in, then you put the screw that holds it on the top. Now we're getting the crossover box ready to be installed. All right guys, so I lost a little connection for this tweeter. So this is how I installed the tweeter. I tied it in this plastic lever and this other plastic. So there you go, it looks good. We're gonna go and test it real quick. So we already made our connection, guys. So we're gonna install the crossover like this. Guys, I have to go get my hat. My head is cold. It's cold today. So anyway, let's connect the tweeter. So we just added these connectors. I don't know if I show it to you. These are bullet connectors. Connect the tweeter, and then next thing we have to do is pop it on. All right, tweeters is installed. So we have the connector. This guy, the female. All right, my cousin's gonna keep finishing up the stuff. Black is minus, negative, and then white is plus. Okay, so connect that over here, and then this
I just plug it into the speaker.
Into the speaker will go through here.
Yeah.
All right. Next thing, guys, we gotta connect all the cables to the crossover box. Then we're gonna zip tie a few things. Then we're gonna test it to see how it sounds. Alright guys, finally I'll show you everything else after it's done. You see how we install this guy. Now it's ready. We can put the speaker on. So all right guys, speakers installed. We installed the tweeter. This is what I had to customize for a different car, but we're getting rid of that car. But anyway, this is installed. Here's my connection, my bullet connection. Tweeter is all good. So testing time, guys. All right guys, the speakers in the 2020 coach sounds great. So we did this speaker, the Infiniti. I put the link down in the description down below, and we bought them from Crutchfield. They sound really good. This is the stock. This is the stock. Big difference, and I'll show you how everything was installed. Anyway, hope you like it. We're gonna do the rear, but not yet. I want to say, let's say a couple weeks or a month or so. I don't know yet, but we'll do the rear, and I'll show you guys how the process is done. So anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Boop, boop, boop. Easy, and it's free. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.